Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Today I'm with Nicholas Pool Yacht Outdoors. We're on Kinkaid Lake in southern Illinois. It's 2,700 and something acre lake. We're just going to try to catch whatever we can catch. Bass, crappie, bluegill, whatever will bite, hopefully a walleye. First crappie of the trip. I don't think that's quite 9. We're gonna check. Eight and a half.
Ooh, close.
I'm gonna let that one get bigger. Make it look bigger if I hold it farther away. Check out that monster. Wish I had $1 for every one I've caught this size today. It'd pay for my gas trip. That's the biggest bluegill I've caught today. After about 30 of them, finally catch one big enough to eat. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
That's something good on. It's like a largemouth.
Oh, it felt better than that though.
It's a decent one.
Yeah, I guess I've been catching all these little bluegill. Woo! All right. Woo! All right. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Have to weigh that one. Just for the heck of it. I'm gonna make Nick watch. I'm not gonna show him what it weighs. Here we go. See ya. She just chilling. It's a big doe, looks like.
Yeah, I'd shoot her.
I bet you taste good.
What is that one?
Is that damn.
Nice.
Wish I'd have got that on camera. I like that trout magnet. Real dark gold color in here. Pretty. feisty. See if he'll dance for us. Nope, straight to the bottom. Dang it. I'd eat that one if I was starving. Largemouth. We caught quite a few bluegill, a few bass, one crappie, no walleye today. But thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. If you don't know Nicholas Pouliot Outdoors, I will put a link to his channel in the description. If you want to check out what happened at the boat ramp, click this video right here. Till next time, have a great day.